Today we're making this Italian wedding soup. It is so delicious. It's the perfect cozy meal for a cold day. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you love easy recipes, make sure to subscribe so I can share them with you every single week. Let's get started with this easy soup recipe. We're gonna start off by prepping all of our vegetables. First, we'll start with a yellow onion, and we wanna dice this nice and small. Next, we're gonna cut a carrot into quarters and then chop this nice and small as well. For the celery, I like to just chop it lengthwise and then dice it up. Make sure to try and keep everything separated. For the parsley, we're gonna mince it, and we'll mince our garlic as well. Next, we're gonna get started on our meatballs. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and line a cookie sheet with some aluminum foil and then put our rack on top. For our meatballs, we've got ground chicken, breadcrumbs, some seasoning, which is garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. We're gonna crack in 1 egg. Add in 1 garlic clove, half of the parsley that we chopped up, and about a 1/4 cup of that onion. Next, we're gonna use our hands to just incorporate all of the ingredients together. And we're gonna start forming some really small meatballs. This takes a little bit of time, and you should have around 50 meatballs when you're finished. I promise it's worth it because these are so yummy. Okay, so these are definitely the most time-consuming part. You want to make sure your meatballs are small enough to where it's not like spaghetti and meatballs, because they are in soup. We want them to be nice and bite-sized. These are gonna bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, just until they get nice and firm, and then we're gonna put them into our soup. Now it's time to make the actual soup. Into a Dutch oven on medium heat, add in butter and olive oil and let this get nice and hot. Then add in the carrot, celery, and onion with some salt and pepper. This is gonna cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until those veggies are nice and softened. Next, add in your garlic and bay leaf and cook just until fragrant for about a minute. Pour in 2 containers full of chicken stock. You want to use stock here instead of broth so it'll be nice and hearty. Then toss in the rest of the parsley. Once the meatballs are done, we're gonna add them into the soup. And the good thing about chicken meatballs is they're not very fatty, so they don't make a giant mess. Add all those into the soup. Then cover on medium-low for about 30 minutes. Once these are done cooking, we're gonna stir them up and add in the spinach. And you can add in the pasta. You can use ditalini here like I did, or you can use orzo, or just anything small. This is gonna cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes until that pasta's cooked, and then you can serve it. I like to top mine with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some red pepper flakes for a little spice. So that's it, you guys. We're all done with this easy Italian wedding soup. I hope you try it because it's so delicious. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for recipes, And I love hearing your feedback, so let me know if you make this recipe. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So good.